Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is about file organization. File organization is a technique for physically storing and arranging data on secondary storage devices, and access method is a technique used to write and retrieve data to and from storage devices is called access method. Previously, we have discussed types of files from functional point of view and types of files from usage point of view. Today, we will discuss types of file from storage point of view. There are three types of files from storage point of view. First is sequential file, second is direct or random file, third is indexed sequential file. In sequential file, records are stored on storage media in a sequence. No locations are specified for individual records. Records are stored in an order, one after the other. Similarly, the record can only be retrieved in the sequence in which they were stored. For example, to access a particular record from a data file, all records are searched one by one until the specified record is found. Therefore, the accessing record in sequential file is very slow. This is a major disadvantage of sequential file. Magnetic tape is an example of sequential file organization. Second is random file organization. This is also called direct or random file organization. Direct files are also known as random files. In these files, records are not stored in a sequence. Each record is stored by specifying a particular address or a location within a file. The address is calculated against the value of key field of the record. Sometimes the same address is calculated, which creates a problem to store a record. This problem is known as synonym. Data accessing speed from direct files is very fast. A record is accessed directly by specifying its address. Magnetic disk and CD-ROMs are example of direct or random file organization. Third one is indexed sequential file. In index sequential files, files can be organized sequentially as well as randomly. In these files, the location of individual records is also stored along the data of the record. For this purpose, index is created to keep the track of location of individual records. Index refers to the location on the storage media where record is stored. The key fields of the records are stored separately into the index along with the address of each record. Usually an index file is created to store the index. This file is known as index file. Index file is updated whenever a new record is added or existing record is deleted. Index file organization is most effective and fast in accessing data from data file than sequential file organization. This is faster than sequential file organization and slower than direct or random file organization because the records of these files occupy more space on storage media. However, this record is slower than direct file organization because it requires extra time to perform an index search. So we can say that index sequential file is slower than random file and faster than sequential file. So today we have discussed file organization, types of files from storage point of view. There are three types of files from storage point of view. First one is direct or random file, second is sequential file, and third is indexed sequential file. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.